I was struggling over here. I was struggling. I had alcohol, Go Joe. This glue is very difficult to come off. I hope this thing doesn't, I might need like 10 of these. Welcome back. So first I want to thank you for even clicking on that button to watch the video. I want to thank you guys for liking. I want to thank you guys for comments and anything else you've done, right? But today, right now, we are going to install one of these spoilers, drastically different. They both got carbon fiber. Well, this is carbon fiber and this is a print. But it's plastic because you can see how it's kind of closed in the back, and this one's open. And this is super light and this one's not. Like I said, they were between 60 to 70 bucks. Maybe it was $80, I don't know, but it wasn't $100 at all. And I really want to just give this a shot. And it's not the best. I mean, I don't really see any flaws in the carbon, in the weave, to be honest with you, but anyway, it's nothing. Just heat this up, take this off, and I put this one on. I should probably get some fishing line real quick. I got some sitting. Ooh-wee. Okay, let me get some fishing line.
Get out my head.
Nice. Let me see how this looks. That was a lot easier than using my finger. Just like a little plastic, I don't know, I guess like a rubber wheel. Put it in your drill. Don't do this. You're gonna burn through your paint. And you'll do that too. So it just threads in here. That was funny. The reason that came off is when it's going this way, friction is gonna keep tightening it. That's why. If you do it without it, it's just gonna spin right off. But anyway, it comes right off. Look at this. What's gonna be left with on here is just gonna be the residue from the wheel. But still, I think it's okay if I kind of give it a little rub. All right. I got some ceramic 3-in-1 detailer and I got some clay bar. So I'm gonna clay bar this bad boy. What is, look at this. Look. This is the stuff they make nowadays. I spray one time. Look how it's dripping. So stupid, yo. Cheap. Anyway. I'm gonna clay bar. Fill any spots. I'm actually gonna do the whole from here. Might as well, right? Oh, that looks good. And then we have this one. Gotta improvise here. Crap. Oh man, I don't know which one to put. If I got it down right, I got lucky. There you go. Install, looking fresh. As usual, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. Oh yeah. So, look, listen, this is what you guys need to do. You need to subscribe, like and subscribe. I don't care which one you do first. Just make sure you do both of them. Chasing RPMs, all right? This is your boy, Chasing RPMs. I'm out.